Hello everyone, my name is Nofairuz Azila binti Muhammad Azri, and this section I will presenting the outcome and conclusion of the Sulam project. Particularly, we focus on Module 7 evaluation and postmortem. Let's me dive into the key achievements and the importance of reflection for the future of the project. Let's begin by discussing what was achieved in Module 7 evaluation and postmortem. This module plays a critical role in helping us assess the effectiveness of the project. It's focused on gathering feedback from participants and conducting a post-mortem discussion within the project team. Through the process, we were able to evaluate whether the objectives of the Sulam project were met and if we truly help participants improve their job searching skill, career awareness, and interview readiness. The feedback we received for participants was positive. They found the season engaged and valuable in improving their job searching strategy. This feedback provides us with insight into which aspect of the project worked well and which area needed improvement. Now, why is reflection and evaluation so important? Reflection allows us to continuously improve by reflecting on both the strengths and weaknesses of the project. We are able to adjust our approach for future iteration, ensuring that the project improves over time. During the postmortem season, we analyze the feedback we receive and discuss how to address areas for improvement. This discussion provides an opportunity for the team to brainstorm either on how we can enhance the quality of the program and make future projects even more effective. The evaluation process also gives and provide constructive criticism, which was essential for making the next round of the Sulam more impactful and successful. In conclusion, the Sulam project successfully met its goal. It provides valuable career guidance and practical job searching tools to participants. Through Module 1 to Module 6, we equip participants with the key skills such as setting career objectives, preparing job searching tool, networking, and handle interview. We also create engaged platform that allow participants learn at their own pace with all seasons available online. The feedback and postmortem discussion show that participants benefit from the project and feel more confident in their job searching. Ultimately, the Sulam project demonstrates that service learning is an effective gap between theory and real-world application. It provides us as students with hands-on experience in talent acquisition while also making a meaningful contribution to the community. To wrap up, this project has been a wonderful learning experience for both the student and the community members involved. The reflection and evaluation process help us identify and the area where we can improve, ensuring that we'll continue to enhance future initiatives. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to applying the insight we gain from this project to future community and engagement efforts.